Hey guys, it's Paul here from PNUK TV or Punk TV. I want to give you in this video an introduction to customer relationship management and ideas on how to make your ideas flow into videos and use a customer relationship CRM to make you keep on top of information, keep on top of ideas, keep on top of your contact information, and grow your network of contact and information and have it at your fingertips everywhere you go. So this will be an app on your phone, but the easiest way for me to show you is on a computer. I recommend for this, and it's completely free, is Hubspot CRM. As you go further down the line of business, I recommend Zoho One, but we'll talk about that in future videos. If you go to pnuk.co/Hubspot, this is where you can sign up for free. It is my affiliate link, but obviously it's free. It just shows Hubspot I'm sending more people their way. And also that's where all the training will be. Whereas in this video, I'll just show you an introduction. So I'm already logged in and I want to show you around and give you ideas on how you can customize this to work for your business. Now, what's also great is you can invite your editors, your sound guys, your project managers, whoever else is. There's an unlimited amount of people you can add to your CRM that can access the information and give you and help you be better in your job, right? So first things we really need to show you is there's 3 places a content creator's really going to be obsessed within this CRM. Contacts, self-explanatory, the people that you have contact with, the email addresses, the places that you know, the places that already interact with you, or even maybe prospective people, the companies they work for, because obviously there might be more than one contact at a company. And then here, sales and deals. We want to take this deal. So I did a quick video earlier and just reshot it. But we've had an idea of a deal. I've relabeled this pipeline. I'll show you how to change it in a second. But what we want to do is take a deal, which we've put St Andrews video. I've given it a value of £2,000. I think that's how much it'll make for this video. And we want to take it across this pipeline from, here's an idea, we want to shoot at St Andrews. Is it a good idea? Yes. Right, now what do we need to do? We need to make contact with St Andrews. I need the contact information, and then I need to send an email. Once that's been sent, the negotiations begin, and they decide whether, this actually shouldn't be proposal sent, it's before, isn't it? They say, yes, come and film. And now you're moving on to, or this should really be like organising filming or something better wording for that. Once the filming has been done, we move to filmed. When the filming's been edited, the editor can move it. And then once the video is posted, this is where we want to be. We've posted to YouTube. That video is in the pipeline, done and created. How much it makes is up to YouTube, really. Or if it all falls apart, we go no go and close it. So what we're really looking to do is create a pipeline of ideas. So let's just create some deals. Let's create a deal, Belfry video, right? I want to film at the Belfry. Oh, do we know anybody? Sales pipeline's going to be your only option. We're going to start as idea. We can, if we already know it's a good idea, we might go to let's do it. Or if you've already made contact, bump it down your pipeline. How much do we think the Belfry video will make? Let's just say it's going to make $1,000. That's just a ballpark. It doesn't matter. How long am I going to give myself to close out this deal? End of January. Deal type, new business. If you've worked with them before, it could be existing. Priority is low because it's not a big idea that has to be done, and I create it. And then within those deals, now I can see the Belfry ideas there. I can create another deal. It might be film with I don't know, Tommy Fleetwood. Sales pipeline, again, just an idea, amount. This might be a 3,000. We're going to give ourselves a few more months to get rid of that one and create. So now we've got information, we've got 2 deals. What do I need to do? Right, what's in our pipeline working today? Well, we've got the St Andrews video, we've got the Belfry video, What should we do? What do I need to work on? What's important? All right, let's say the Belfry video is a go. Let's do it. What do I need to do next? I need to jump in and create a task, which is find contact information. So I don't know anybody at the Belfry. It should be here actually. Find contact information. Don't have any contacts. Maybe Joe blogs at Golf YouTube knows. Insert name of content creator and actual YouTube channel. So that's it. So I don't know anything. So when I come now to my activities, it will show you in your homepage actually. Service, fields, task, contacts, right? Activity feed, right? So here we're going to see things that have happened, things that have been done, nothing happening. Documents, tasks. Here we go, tasks. So we're going to go sales, tasks. What have I got on? And I need to find the contact information for the Belfry. So I'm just going to Google the Belfry Hotel and Resort. Here we go, right? So here is the belfry.com. So if I want to add a company. What's the company? And it's going to say create new company domain name. If I paste that in, it's going to automatically find the Belfry Hotel and Resort, hospitality, and okay, right. So now we've got the contact, we've got the company name. We want to find maybe an about, a contact, book a room. Here we go. Inquiries at the Belfry. We could copy that. So we could add a contact, create a new, add in contact. First name, you don't really know it, so we could just put inquiry, and then I don't know if it'll, yeah. So we don't know the email address of that person, but we've found the contact information to move on a stage, right? So we can go to active. Oh, this is the contact. We can go back to the deal. So there's multiple ways of jumping around. So look, the Belfry Hotel. And here's the deal, Belfry video. Here's the task in the activity, find contact information. I've done it, so I can tick that off. Now the next task is make contact, which moves the deal across here. Contact made, right? So the Belfry is make contact. So we're going to make contact to them by emailing them. Let me just change that. Let me just change that email address to, where are we? Company. Yeah, it might not. Oh, what have I done? Have I clicked on the wrong one there? Right, so let's go back here. Did I not associate that contact properly? Let's just add a contact. Say someone's told me. So I'm going to say Joe blogs. Do it in the right place. I'm going to put my email in because it's the only way to show. Don't bloody email me. Joe blogs. Job title, managing director. The big cheese, right? Create. So now for that, did I tag that into the proper place? Belfry video, yeah. So here, now we've got a contact. So now on our phones, in our app, we've got a contact. And we're going to make contact, right? We're going to send an email to Joe Blogs. Can I come film? Maybe you're obviously, now this, I'm going to struggle. My brain stops filming. Film a YouTube golf video. You work out how to say nice things in subjects. Hello, Joe. Can I come and film at the Belfry? Cheers, Paul. You would definitely be better than me at this. Send it, right? So I've sent it. So I've made contact. So now we know that this deal, contact's been made. Can we move it forward? If I take the email, here we go. Paul Nicholson's emailed me, Film a Golf YouTube. And if I go back here now, you're going to see complete. You're going to see activities in the emails sent. And it will refresh when it's been opened. So you can see it's been opened. And I'll reply to it. Yeah, no problem. Come and film on Tuesday. Wouldn't it be great if that was as easy, right? So you've made contact. They've said come and film. You are all systems go. This will go to opened and replied eventually. It's only just been set up, and it's a bit funky on that Gmail that I've set up. But I believe if I go to this, let's just make sure the email's here. I don't usually use this. Here we go. Finding my film. So the reply has come, and it will go eventually to opened and replied. There we go. So here's the reply. Yeah, no problem. Come and film. Reply to that. Thanks. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bang. Sent off. So now we've got all of our contact information, all of our dealings. So when someone says, who did you speak to? Well, here, look, Joe Bloggs said I was fine to come. Thanks, I'll see you Tuesday. So you've got all that contact information in one place. So now when you go to your deal, so you can actually change it up here, look. So we're into negotiation. We're happily, they've said, come. And now we might want to change this wording. We're into filmed. So when we go to our deal now, our Belfry video's right across on filmed. I don't know if it should be filming, and then you move it, editing, and you move it. So you can change this, so don't get locked into what I've got. You go to settings, go to data management properties, objects, deals, pipelines. And as I said, all the training will be on the Punk forum at pnuk.co/HubSpot. So we might change this to film, to edit. I mean, I'm terrible at words coming to me. Posted video 1 or close lost to edit. Let's add another one. Let's add another stage. Final approval. And drop this into after edit, right? Final approval. Save. Let's go back. So now we've got our Belfry video to film. We get all our stuff and what you might want to do here now, right? To film. What tasks do we need to do? We might need to schedule a meeting. We might need to do a filming meeting. Oh, God, get lost. This is the first time I want to sync with my calendar. That's all right. Do it. I'm trying to fly through it. I'm trying to give you the idea of how this all works, rather than this being a full how-to video. As I said, the training will give you a better insight into it. So, to film, what have I wrote here? Filming, why didn't it let me talk? Right. Oh, it's crapped out. Is it crapped out? Beautiful. Right, here we go. Film meeting. We're going to say that meeting. So what did we say? Tuesday? We're going to go Tuesday. So let's do a meeting Sunday at 2 p.m. Set location. Custom. Conference room. Have I spelled that wrong? Conference room, which is probably someone's bedroom. Attendee description. If you want to add people, filming, meeting. If you have more people in your organization, you can get them to come. So Joe Blogs, I can actually send Joe Blogs, the guy, a meeting request. If you add more people, you can just tag them saying you're required. So now we've got a meeting set up. We know in our activities, that's what we're doing. Meetings, where's my meeting? Get started, finish. Here we go. Remove, yeah. Connect calendar. You can do all this later. I'm not going to go through all that. Anyway, so we've set up a meeting. We've gone. We've created. We've done the filming. Now this goes to the editor. So you could, in theory, set a new task and needs editing and send it to your editor. So assign it to another team member if it's for them. Edit Belfry. Film. I think you're getting the gist now. In this whole thing, it's sorting your contact list out, having everything at your fingertips, moving your. Oh yeah, it's right down here. Look, I didn't rename the negotiation, did I? Moving from a pipeline. This is a pipeline from an idea to a finished video. To knowing, what have I got to work on? Because you're always going to have plates spinning, aren't you? You might have your create deal, charity day, setting pipelines, an idea, what will the video make? The video may still make money. Create it. Can edit stuff as you're doing it. Create another deal, playing, I don't know, what's that place in Wales that's in my head that I can't? Celtic Manor. Always going to be in your pipeline. Let's do it. Create. So you can create all these deals, all these ideas, all this information, and have the contacts, the deals, everything in place where you might go, Celtic Manor phoned me, and they're happy for us to go ahead. So we're going to move that one all the way to film. So we need to prepare the Celtic Manor. The editors just moved it to final approval. So now the final task on this is to approve that video. And then the final thing is, do we post it? Yes, it goes to YouTube. And then that deal is finished. We're on to the next one. Next one might be create a deal, Belfry, 10th hole, special. Pipeline idea, let's do it. Deal type, now the contact is Joe Blogs. Because we've already made contact, we know the Belfry Hotel is the company. And we can dive straight into another deal with them because we've worked with them before. So this is contact relationship management. This is understanding what have we got going on. Look at where our money is. Look at other deals. Do we think, what's the best thing that we need to do? Well, Tommy Fleetwood, I know he's got next week off. Let's get him in here. What do we need to do? We need to contact his manager. We need to do whatever we're doing. But this is all about deals, pipelines. So everything you come up with an idea is money. How do we get that money to YouTube? But then also, as we move into a bigger and bigger business, how do we build our contact network? The companies we work with. How do we keep everything in one place, take it with us everywhere, and keep moving that YouTube channel forward? I hope I've given you some, just an idea. There's other CRMs work, but HubSpot's free, and it's free for unlimited users, so you can invite all your team members in. And then, as I said, Zoho One eventually, that'll run all your accounts, your invoicing, everything, contract deals, everything Zoho One. But HubSpot for free is a great starting point, and you can always migrate to another platform if you don't like it. But it is really easy to use. So I hope I've given you some sort of idea. I know it was a bit scatty. They will get better. Full training will be on the Punk forum for business. So punk.com. Building up your YouTube channels is Punk TV. Comment below. Let me know what else you need to know. Hopefully this has helped. Ideas for next year. Keep on working. Keep on growing your channels. And we will turn that hobby into a business that you love. See you soon. Paul Punk out.